If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend though. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
Alright, y'all, look. I'm back on the road again. Literally, like, I'm so dead meat right now. I'm like tired as fuck. But yeah, I'm back on the road, man. I'm been on the road for about an hour and a half, 2 hours now. I got 3 hours left out of 5 hours, so. Man, so I just stopped at McDonald's right now, gas station, because I mean, I am tired. It's just crazy, man. But who do you know? So today's Sunday, right? Yeah. And so today is Sunday morning. It's 9:24 to work right now. So who do you know could be filming all day Thursday, and then goddamn all day Friday? Barely slept Friday. I probably slept for like 2 hours on Friday, and then left LA to drive 5 hours to Arizona at like 7 in the morning, like Saturday morning. Get here Saturday at like 1 o'clock. Film right when I got here. Got pulled over. Not even 2 hours into Arizona after filming. Chill for that night. But damn near ain't really sleep. Then leave Arizona. Start leaving Arizona at like 7 in the morning to head back to LA. Man, hey, told to go film in LA. Tell me, man. These fucking bumps. Ain't nobody, I'm telling you, man. Like when it comes to this real grinding shit, hey man, can't fuck me, man. We are 6,500 or just shy of 7,000 feet high. I have no service. I'm about to run out of gas. I'm legit about to run out of gas. I have less than 30 something miles to eat, and we are like 50 minutes into this damn mountain. Lost. We're lost as hell. I see why black people don't do this, because we are lost. I'm low-key scared because I'm scared to run out of gas in the mountains, and I ain't got no service because I have a habit of not keeping any money inside of my checks account. I literally like transfer everything into my savings, so I need service to transfer money back into my checkings account so I could get gas. I don't know what type of this jank ass goddamn gas station. No pumps work or anything. Damn. Okay, so these two pumps right here don't work. They're out of order. But this goddamn.
Should we access to hear anything?
Yeah.
Probably.
To be safe.
Yeah, I mean, we don't know what the fuck we're doing. You want the gas right here?
Yeah, I need to.
Alright, come on.
This motherfucker lost his hell.
I don't know if they take card, they probably cash only take. Alright, so go ahead and
oh yeah, it says pay cash here before pumping.
yeah, in the inside.
Damn.
So go ahead. Go ahead and get
This is dangerous.
I'm gonna get gas too. I can pull up.
Man. This is dangerous, man. This is fucking dangerous. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. But as I said, see, I got fucking leaves stuck in here. I got dirt all over. Man, don't go swimming or don't get in no pool in Arizona when it's fucking cold as shit at nighttime and the pool is freezing. Don't do that, man. But yeah, we're literally in the middle of nowhere still. Got gas. So back on the road, I'm still terrified because we're in the mountains and I have no service, so you never know what can happen. And I'm gonna leave my car way down here before we go to the actual like trail, like the actual like where my car ain't gonna make it at, because I already had 3 close calls coming through that mountain. I ran over a big ass rock. My car got stuck. I had to pull over instantly. I was coming around the corner, and then like it was like, oh shit, pine. God, man, look, I can't focus right now, but damn, look at this water over here. Y'all see that water? Damn. I think this is Lake Arrowhead or some shit. Wow, we were just right here. Damn. Yeah, that's Lake Arrowhead, but we're gonna turn right this way. We're gonna skedaddle this way. Park my car right here. Y'all, this gas station gave us a map. And this is how you know niggas is too equipped and used to like phone maps. Our phones we lost service on our phones, so we can't like do anything. So they gave us a map and gave us directions, and we're back lost again. So we're supposed to turn right, like coming up on Toy Road, but we can't find it.
All right, you should be good. You should be good, champ. Go straight back. I done cut my hand open and everything. Look at that little baby wound. Keep going. Oh shit! Hold on. That shit is crazy, bro. You made this joint look more crazy than what Jazz was driving this motherfucker. Can you pull that joint rocket? You scared?
I'm not moving. It's the seatbelt.
Hold on, I think that's the ladder. Yep, hard left, hard right. Hold on. No, it's not stuck, but go straight. Go this way, go straight. All right, champ. So there's water, shallow water. Don't know if it's worth it water, but it's water. And it'll be different than anything you've ever done. So, and I think you got this one, champ. With me guiding you, how can you lose? I hope anyway, shit. All right. At least you ain't got to worry about the cliff like I did. So, turn to your right. More, right there. Now go straight. You got to hit the gas a little bit. You're behind the rock. Yep, now, oh. Hold on. See, when that shit happens, that shit's scary.
I won't do this, bro.
When that shit happens, ain't it scary?
I won't do this, bro. Let's go up, please. Let's go up.
All right, you're already down it. A little to the left. All right, to your left now. Gas. Right there. Hit the gas. Gas. Straighten it out. Straighten out. Right there. Come down. Come down. Come on. Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. Good job. Now left. And now if this don't work, nothing gonna work. Come on. Come on. Look how them wheels, look how the back one is, look how the front one is. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, come on. Let's see it. It's all right. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on, let me see. I just want to see. All right. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Nope, it's not gonna work. All right.
It gets dark at 6 o'clock. We have 3 hours. We've been here since 10 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock.
It is 3 o'clock.
It gets dark in 3 hours.
That's all we got the light bars for, brother.
Is it on?
We got the light bars. They're already on. They're already on.
I gotta scoot back. You ain't thinking about that. You guys just can't turn around.
The fuck is our black asses doing out here?
Baby, you see people in dirt like white and Asian.
Yeah.
I ain't seen not one nigga back over here, bro. Bro,
That's what makes us unique, brother.
I see shit.
All right, let me see one more time. All right, give it one good gas. Let me see. One good gas. Nope, nope, back up. Yep, reverse. Hard reverse. Hold on, hold on. Do it again, reverse. Yep, go straight, reverse. Hit it. Reverse back. You're good, you're good. You're good, keep reversing, reverse hard. Good, hold it, hold it, hold it. Man, oh man. All right, now, this is the one we gotta look out for right here. That motherfucker right here. Y'all see, man? Dog Sway did that, good job, brother.
Now you gotta reverse right here.
No, I'm gonna reverse back in this spot right here. Oh, that's a good spot to reverse at right here.
Oh, I didn't see that rock. Well, it technically said no vehicles right there.
Does it say no vehicles?
On the sign, yeah. No camping, no campfires or vehicles.
Oh, shit. All right, dumbasses, boy.
I recorded too. No, I thought you knew.
Hell no, I ain't know.
Oh, shit.
So you funny as hell. So you funny in the morning.
I swear I thought you. Like, I
swear you fucking hilarious, shit.
I thought.
Hell no, I ain't know this shit.
Sign.
I can't even see shit.
Closer, nigga. Hey, wait.
You good? So you a funny motherfucker, champ. Oh, y'all hear this dude? So you trying to set us up, champ?
You told nah.
You trying to set us up, champ? Oh, hilarious.
It's finna get dark outside, man. The clouds is here.
We got the whoopie whammers though. We cut them off since we ain't using them that long.
Oh yeah, I thought you meant that with like actual woody whammer.
Oh no, hell no.
I don't got one yet, but I'm gonna get one soon. Ooh, shit.
All right.
It's finna rain. Oh shit.
That's crazy. That joint really said no vehicles. And we almost got this big motherfucker down there.
I swear, damn, we did almost.
We almost did.
It was just that last part.
Damn.
Oh shit, that's probably why everybody niggas got to record it.
Yeah, and they wanted to watch it. See, we really
side
mirror.
Yeah.
That's probably why they wanted to watch. They said, "Look at these motherfuckers, they about to do it."
They really gonna try.
That's crazy. And then not only that, but you also gotta think. That's also why on the website when we was looking at the thing on Google,
yeah, that's what I was seeing.
It ain't had no cars going through it.
It was only 18 dirt bikes.
That's all it was. Damn, Slay, we about some ignorant ass nigga, man.
We are the nigga version of a fucking Mythbusters.
What
So they call us myth niggas.
That's why when they got them big ass boulders there tight.
Yeah, to stop people.
To stop motherfuckers' cars and shit. But
Yeah,
how did that big ass Lincoln Navigator get down here?
Nah, he probably right there and tried and turn around right there, right here.
I don't know if Sway got the footage. Was you able to get them recording them when we was coming down?
Yeah, I tried to, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, if he got a little clip, he'll throw it in there. But that was like a big ass motherfucker. Big ass Lincoln Navigator. What's that? Oh, that's
Hey, goddamn unknown. Don't call.
Yeah, it was a big ass, like, I don't know if it's Lincoln Navigator. It was one of them damn big ass joints. Ford Expedition. Looked like a Ford Excursion, how big that motherfucker looked coming out there. I said, how the fuck he tried that shit? And the thing ain't had no
nothing.
No ground clearance.
All it had was tires.
That's crazy.
All it had was literally tires.
That's wild, yo. Well, listen, man. That was one hell of a day. And no pun intended, because we tried to go to the Devil's Hole, but hey, we wanted to do
called Devil's Hole.
Right, that motherfucker be trying to kill you, trying to take you down, trying to take you down to the bottom of that bitch. That's crazy. But no, man, we about to.
I'm not kind of recording right. That was fucking scary right there.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to away. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.